This 2023 Forest River Salem Hemisphere Hyper-Lyte 22RKHL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. This new Forest River is 26 feet 7 inches in length and features one slide-out, a Coronado interior, sleeps 4, leveling jacks, oven, LP detector, smoke detector, TV, auxiliary battery, slide-out, microwave, water heater, air conditioning, and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Forest River Salem Hemisphere Hyper-Lyte 22RKHL is 5,167 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc., visit RVUSA.com.